Good day, guys. First of all, hey y'all. It is December, what's today? The 4th? Yes, it is Sunday, December 4th. And I just had like a whole brain fart. Yes, it's Sunday, December 4th. I am up. It is 3:47. First of all, I'm picking y'all up super late in the day because I have had a rough morning. Y'all know last night, me and my girls, we was outside. And because I ain't been outside in a while, I could not get myself together this morning. I couldn't hear anything. Like I was asleep and nothing was waking me up this morning. So I didn't get up till like 12. I told y'all I still needed to edit last night's vlog so that I could post it today. So that's what I'm working on right now. This thing is trying to give me the blues. Like, come on. So yeah, I'm working on this video. I'm trying to get it to upload so that I can put in the description part so I can go ahead and get this posted today because it should have been posted earlier. But if I can just get it going without it failing, then I can walk away from this laptop. Okay, I think we got action. I had said it's gonna take 40-something minutes for it to upload. It's only a 22-minute vlog. It really shouldn't take that long, but whatever. I'm gonna let it do its thing. But I did get something in the mail. So, look what I got in the mail. Ooh, and it's something about getting something from Zara. So I'm gonna set y'all up and we just gonna go ahead and open up this thing real quick. Okay, yeah, so I think we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm excited. Part of me feels like I ain't gonna be able to wear what's in this box, but we just gonna keep our fingers crossed. This box is a little, I've been through some things. Hopefully what's supposed to be in the box is in here. Cause he is very. Why did I pick my box up like this? What is it? Good. Okay. Lord, I probably have my address all in there. Get me. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, so I felt like I needed some leather. Like, well, I don't know if these is faux leather. It might be faux leather. They ain't giving me. I don't know. They faux leather ain't one of the two. But I felt like I needed like the smooth leather, not that material, cloth-like material leather or faux leather. I didn't want that. I wanted some sleek, smooth, black leather boots. These are perfect. They don't have a crazy high heel. They are pointed toe with the seam that runs right up the middle of the boot like that. All the way up. These look like they are below the knee boots, but we're gonna try them on. and see what they giving. Now the thing is, the reason why I said I didn't think I was gonna be able to fit them is because I got them in a 7.5 because they ain't had no 8 and I just really wanted them. But if I can't fit them, I have to send them back. But I hope they do. So these are not white cat friendly. They're not white cat friendly. Let me show you. Not white cat friendly. I cannot zip them up anymore. Oh, these would have been so freaking cute. I do feel like I needed an 8 anyway. But look at that. Isn't that a sexy? Oh, look at these. Ugh. Isn't that a sexy boot? Damn. Well, that's a dub. That's a dub. They bad though. So yeah, they're bad, but they a no-go. Can't fit them. So I'm gonna send these on back. Send these on back and get my $116, $19 back. And maybe somebody else who been wanting them will have the chance to get them. But yeah, I'm gonna send them on back. Get my money back. I don't remember when I started having wide calf friendly problems. I guess when I gained all this weight. Your calves really do grow. So nice, y'all. So nice. I'm sad it didn't work out. But I had a feeling they wasn't gonna work out. But I thought it was gonna be because of the size. Okay, so my video is giving me the blues. I don't know why it keeps failing, but it is. So I trying to upload it again so that I can post it today. This video gonna be so late. Then I'm gonna have to edit this one and try to post it for tomorrow. The absolute worst. So I'm about to wash my face, brush my teeth, throw on something real quick because I want to go make a return at the mall before it closes at 6. So let me go ahead and do that real fast, and then we'll head to North Lake Mall. Okay, we in the car. We're in the car. About to run to the mall. It's 5:13. The mall closes at 6 o'clock. But luckily, I only have to return one thing. I only need to go in one store, and I need to go to Target because Nico need dog food. So I gotta go to Target. I don't want to go to Target. It's cold out here, y'all. My car says 48 degrees. So I'm having to let Maxine warm up a little bit. I hope you guys let your cars warm up. Even if it is a new car. It's cold. You need to let your baby warm up. Let her know you love her. So, yeah, I'm about to run to the mall. Hopefully there won't be no problems for me to run in, which it shouldn't because I still have like 45 minutes to get there. Okay, so we're in Target, and I was kind of looking for just like some cute little decor for my living room, and Target's Christmas stuff is on sale, 30% off, and they have like these cute little reindeer. like this. I'm thinking about getting both of these. But I wish one was smaller than the other. Like, why they gotta be both big? Okay, so I'm at a Target. I didn't get anything because I couldn't make up my mind as to what it was I even wanted from Target. So all I got really was the dog food, which is what I came for. And then I got the sign from my porch. I'm about to have so many of these damn signs. And then that was it. I'm going home because for one, I'm hungry. Two, I need to check on this video to make sure that it is going to be able to be posted tonight, all late. And then see if I got enough footage to even have something to post for tomorrow. But this is a task. I may just go ahead and pull out the tree just so I have something else to put on this video right here. I might not decorate it, but I might pull it out. So that is what I may do, depending on what it's looking like when I get home with this vlog. I really want to post this vlog tonight, and I'm gonna be upset if I don't get to do that. I'm gonna be mad. So I'm on my way home to do that. Tomorrow I do have to work tomorrow, so this is gonna be interesting to see what the vlog is gonna be like tomorrow. Well, for Tuesday. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what this is like, because I typically do okay, red light special. I typically do not vlog because I work a full-time job and my week is pretty boring, and it's the same thing Monday through Friday. But I'm gonna try my very best to make something shake. I'm gonna pick y'all up after work because I'll be going to the gym and stuff like that. So that's my plan for Tuesday's vlog. So yeah, I'll be looking out for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head home, and hopefully I'll see y'all again after I get there. I think I'm gonna put the tree back here behind the couch so that it's in the window. This is where it was last year. I was thinking about putting it right here, but nope. I just put it back where it was, back here. So I moved. Well, I had Mr. move the couch up a little bit so the tree have room. It might have to go up some more, but I don't know. Excuse the football game going on in the background. My boo is a Cowboys fan, and that is who is playing.
Really a pretty throw that time, because Matt Ryan had to throw it.
Cowboy Nation in this house today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the tree up. We'll see how far we get.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit, have you wildin'? Last minute pills to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Breaking up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Bite it, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it 'cause you know I like it. Making up a day for you bite it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Just when it feels to the island. Drip, 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 drip. Just type shit have you wildin'. Drip, 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 drip. That's when it feels to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit.
In and out of those cuts, linebackers cannot make plays like that.
First and goal from the 3. Dak. Gallup. Got it.
Taste it. All right.
Drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. I wanna get wild. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. it. Making up a day for you, ride it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Just finish pips to the night. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you ride it. Drip, 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 drip. Just finish pips to the night. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you wildin'. This type shit have you wildin'. Let's finish pips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Dip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you wild. Like it.
Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No ma'am, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing, or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get hot. Go, 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 go. Girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor, to the floor, blow 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 to the floor. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man.
Okay, so I am done with my tree, my living room decorations until I find something for my table. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. I know it wasn't much, we didn't do much today, but we did get that done, and we have so many more days to go. So yeah, until tomorrow, I will see you guys later. Bye.